So the 2025 Ford Ranger MSRT, pin to start immobilisation. So we can use a sequence of button pushes. Excuse me. Sequence of button pushes to disarm the immobiliser, but it arms automatically each time the engine is switched off and the driver's door is open. So we can see, push the button there to turn the engine off. When I open the driver's door, you get two flashes there, the indicator warning lights on the dashboard. That's telling us the system's now armed straight away. So if we push to start now, so we're foot on the brake, automatic vehicle this one, foot on the brake, push to start, see the vehicle just won't start. Okay, no start. So what we need to do is enter our PIN code using a sequence of button pushes. So when I push the buttons, I've used 4. You can use up to 20, but 4 is good enough. So you see when I press the 4th button, you see, there we go, we get a flash on the indicator warning lights there. So, and then we do the foot on the brake, push to start, and starts and runs fine. Okay, now straight away again, if we turn the vehicle off, open the driver's door, the system's armed, so you can never forget to arm it. Does it automatically. You can put it in service mode, so if you need to take the vehicle for servicing, you don't want to give away your PIN code, you can manually put it in service mode, and it will stay in service mode until you manually take it out of service mode. So nice, safe, secure solution for this Ford Ranger, compatible with lots of vehicles. Give us a call to find out more.